Welcome to a guided meditation. For this meditation, we shall be using the theme of water to guide you along the way to a deeper stillness. First, before we begin this meditation, find a comfortable place to sit where you won't be disturbed for the next several minutes, and allow yourself to settle in. Just rest your hands gently on your lap and allow the eyes to close when you're ready. We shall begin with a simple body scan. Imagine your awareness moving through your body like warm water, just as if you were standing in a soothing, relaxing shower. I want you to begin with the head, letting the thoughts of water flow over your scalp, your eyes, ears, and down your face, feeling every inch of your head. As it does, let any tension melt away and be pulled down by the water. Move down your neck, over your shoulders, and let the water pull away any tightness your muscles carry with you. Let the water continue to flow down your arms to your fingertips, releasing all tension as it goes. Now, bring your awareness, this water, to your back. Imagine how it feels running over the skin, pulling more and more tension with it. Let it sink down to your feet. Keep following the flow of water, of awareness, down your legs, over the knees, and to your toes. Feel this water wash away everything that's no longer needed, leaving your body feeling refreshed and light. We shall take just a moment to settle. Now we shall shift this awareness from the whole body to a single point, to your breath. I want you to begin counting each breath as they come without changing or controlling them. Just notice them. With each exhalation, imagine your body sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation, letting the breath carry away any tension that you might have. And when you breathe in, imagine pulling in positivity, good energy to replenish the body. Keeping with the theme of water, I want you to imagine a pool of clear water in front of you. This pool is going to represent your mind. I want you to pay attention to its surface, how it moves, the ripples, waves. Is it calm or is it turbulent? This will be how your mind is feeling. Calm or is it agitated? There is no need to judge the waves. Just observe them. And now, with every exhale, imagine your breath flattening the waves, slowly reducing them in size like a gentle wind, soothing over the surface, calming the waters so you can now see the bottom. With every inhale, you're inviting peace and clarity into the mind and the body. With every exhale, you release any disturbance, bringing the pool into stillness. What do you see at the bottom of the pool? Take a moment to just quietly observe what the pool is doing, what you can see. Now we shall take a moment to simply rest in this stillness, no longer trying to achieve calm, no longer trying to find peace. For now the peace has found you, and all I want you to do is rest in what you have created. This peace is just for you. This peace can be created at any time, any place. And when you are ready, when it's time to come back from the inside and back to the world around you, I want you to bring your awareness back to the present moment. We'll start by moving the fingers, the toes, and gently open the eyes. Take a slow, deep breath and thank yourself for this time of care and relaxation.